Hi everyone, this is Mohan Raghavan. Today we are going to discuss receiver function. In simple, we can interpret like the function which can be received by whom. We have already seen what is struct. Struct is a collection of fields, so that means that we are creating a customized type by ourselves. And one more thing about the receiver function is in order to understand the interfaces, we need to know about the receiver function. In overall, we are going to discuss what is receiver function in this video. In general, you know that Go is not OOPS language. That means that it does not have any classes or instances. You may be wondering there is a difference between the method and the function. In procedural languages, you will be calling as a function, whereas if you have some functions inside your classes or OOPS languages, that will be represented as a method. In Go languages, since it's not a OOPS languages, we cannot restrict who can call a particular function. Still, we can restrict that function to be called only with the particular type by mentioning the receiver. Receiver is nothing but you are giving the receiver name who can receive this function's implementation. You know that function can be defined by using the keyword func and followed by the function name, and it will be having the list of arguments and followed by the return type. The receiver function will be defined between the function keyword and the function name. In between, you will be mentioning your own customized type so that only those type can be used to call this method. For example, here I am creating the type bot struct from line number 10, and it has two collection of fields. So that means that language a type of string and ID a type of integer. So I am just mentioning the same here. You can see the line number 17, the function, and I'm mentioning the receiver, which is happening between the function keyword and the function name. I'm telling I can call this method only the type of bot. And I know that that bot has been created by me and it has two fields already. Since I know the type has two, let's say fields, I can use those fields inside my implementation. For example, b.lang and b.id, which is nothing but the two fields inside our bot struct. Now in the main function, you can see here just a normal print statement. And after that, I'm creating the variable value for the bot instance. So sorry, it is not an instance. I'm creating the bot struct value. I know that bot struct has two fields, so I'm just giving the two field values, which is nothing but English and 400 and French and 300 for the respective variable values. And I am creating another type which does not have any, let's say, fields inside that. Still, we are creating one more type just to compare with the other type. Here, the type name is test and it is a struct. Now I'm creating another variable for the test type. So now I have two types. One is bot, another one is test. I have created, let's say, the variables for the bot as well as the test. Now by using the bot type variables, I can call the speak method. So it will be giving the proper output. For simplicity, I will just comment this line T and I will just comment this type test as well. Just considering the bot type and the method speak, we will just execute this and we will understand. Here you can clearly see the speak method has been called with variable and variable is type of bot. So we are allowed to do the calling for the speak function. Whereas I will try to call the speak function with the variable or with the type T, sorry, with the type of test. So for that, I'm just enabling again. So this is a test and I'm enabling the T. Now it will be something like T dot speak. Now clearly you know that I'm calling the speak function with the variable which is type of test. But we know that the speak function can be called only with the type of bot variable. If I try to execute this line, it will be giving the error. Let's see the error what it is. Here you can see type test has no field or method speak. So that means that you cannot call the speak method with other type, let's say other type variables, such as like test here in this case. So this way we can restrict the users to call the method with a particular type. In simple words, the bot is the receiver. This is the only receiver of the function implementation with the name speak. So this way we can restrict the type of users or the type of variables that can be used to call the particular method. So this is about our, let's say, bot implementation, and let's say different kinds of things we have seen struct, and we have seen the receiver function. So thanks all, thanks for watching, and have a great day.